Contact data is at the heart of growth, yet it is often the weakest link in the sales and marketing team's chain. The reason: outdated, expired, sometimes incorrect, and often non-standardized data. Have you ever noticed that a significant portion of your database contains duplicates, triplicates, and sometimes even more, both in your contacts and company records? Here are some reasons explaining the presence of duplicates in a CRM. Multiple teams use the company's CRM, and due to a lack of time, it is not uncommon to fail to check if the person already exists in the CRM before creating a new record. You also have duplicates when a person or a company was entered into the CRM with a spelling error, or a client or prospect changes companies and may be reinserted into the CRM as a new person instead of updating the original record. The risk is contacting the same person multiple times, which affects the credibility of personalizing your messages. When entering data manually into your CRM, typos or errors are possible. Incorrect salutation, swapping first name and last names, and wrong or outdated email addresses. Unwanted characters may also appear due to format compatibility issues between the collection source and the database, or from inserting emojis after scrapping LinkedIn, for example, and directly importing them into the CRM. Erroneous data can have severe consequences on your sales strategy, such as high bounce rate and loss of credibility if personalization is incorrect. Contact information in your CRM should always be complete, otherwise the data is of little to no use. However, databases often contain fields left incomplete due to a lack of time or because the information is not manually findable. With each new entry, adding salutation, job position for targeting purposes, business phone number, verified and up-to-date email address, manually, it's true that can be complicated and a bit tedious. It is common to quickly enter data into your CRM without taking the time to capitalize, or making mistakes between first name and last name, or forgetting to fill in the salutation. The foundation for effective personalization of your cold email and marketing campaigns is to capitalize the first name and place it in the first name field and the last name in the last name field. On average, between 25 and 30% of your data becomes outdated each year. Obsolescence can have various causes, such as not updating data following significant changes, such as a company change, a company's organizational overhaul leading to address changes, job changes, or relocations. Without any automated tool, identifying outdated data in real time is nearly impossible. This task can become burdensome and tedious. Unnecessary and outdated data clutters your CRM and slows down performance. It is essential to regularly remove data that is no longer relevant. Identify contacts with no commercial interest, companies that have closed, or prospects who have shown disinterest. Clean your CRM by deleting this superfluous information. Cleaning and maintaining data quality in your CRM may seem laborious. However, with tools like Dropcontact, you can automate a significant part of the process. Dropcontact integrates with major CRM platforms such as Hubspot, Pipedrive, and Salesforce, making data cleaning and standardization easier. The data in your CRM is a valuable asset for your sales and marketing team. By following these 7 steps, you will be able to clean, standardize, and maintain the quality of your data, which will have a positive impact on your sales strategy and credibility. By regularly cleaning your CRM, you can ensure that your data is clean, accurate, and usable for your business activities. Don't let low-quality data hinder your growth and successes. So now it's time to take action and start cleaning your CRM for impressive results.